Hello, hello. So my new keycaps for my mechanical keyboard came in today. So these are what they look like. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but they're the palm jelly keycaps. So I did get the ones with the letters engraved on there. So let's put them on the keyboard and see how it looks. So this is my current Switch situation right now. The majority of the keys are the Everglide Aqua Kings, but when I ordered them, they didn't have enough switches in the pack because I bought them pre-lubed from somebody. So it only came with 70 switches, and this is an 87 key keyboard. I just have some random brown switches on the keys that I don't use that often. I mean, it doesn't really bother me because I barely use these keys at all. Oh, and if you're wondering, I have the RK87 RGB keyboard, and I like this one because it still has all the function keys and the arrow keys, but still has that compact look to it. This is the finished look. The only key that I was missing was this, the right shift key, because the shift key on the original keyboard was a smaller shift key, and it only came with a bigger shift key, which doesn't fit. So I ended up using one of the blank ones that it came with. But yeah, let's plug it in and see what it looks like. Alright, so this was the previous setting that I was using. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love this. We'll do the different RGB settings here. Ooh, that's so pretty. This is what it's looking like right now, the final result. And then once it gets darker, we'll do a night mode test. I am planning on building, I don't know about building, but getting like a PC soon. But your girl is broke from buying all these BTS albums. And it probably won't be a while until I can get one, because I still have so many things to get, and it's just a lot of work, and I don't have that kind of commitment or money right now. The K-pop life is hard, man. Alright, now that it's a little darker, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, here's the full RGB. besties! So today is Tuesday. I think I'm going to take myself out today. So for most of the morning I just laid in bed and kind of just like drowned in my own thoughts. And I didn't get out I stayed in bed for like probably 2.5 hours, and I was like, Emmy, you need to go outside. Like you cannot do this all day. So I decided I'm going to go on a hike. So this is the first time I'm actually going on a hike by myself. So I'm gonna try something new and take myself out. So we have arrived. So far, none of this looks familiar to me. I think the last time I was here was probably, I think like 5 years ago. So I really don't remember much. But this will be fun to find out, so let's go. Let's go. Just made it home. Oh my god, I'm so tired. My knees. Okay, it said it was moderate difficulty, but that was kind of hard. And okay, so it said the elevation gain was only like 500 something feet, but it didn't tell me that there was an elevation gain of 500 feet, like 50 times. So, because literally the whole trail was like up and down, up and down, up and down. But the view was really nice. It was a nice view of the skyline of Boston and like the area around the trail. So it was very pretty. And I kept getting lost because it's a pretty popular area for like other biking trails and other hiking trails. And then every time I took a turn, it was the wrong way, and then I had to backtrack and then go the right way. Thank God I had the map with me, because if I didn't have the map, I would have been so lost. I don't know if there's anything else left to do for today. If not, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Hello! It is officially Friday. We made it to Friday. That means the enhypen album is released at Target in the US today, so we're gonna go to Target. This is the outfit for today. Da, 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 da. And my Life Goes On tote bag. Let's go. Yay! So we got all 3 versions. Hype Up and Down of enhypen's Border Carnival. Look how pretty, and it's the Target exclusive. So you get an extra exclusive postcard. It's open! I think we'll do up, down, and then hype. So we'll start with up first. Oh, you can see me. Hi! Okay, they said to open it upside down because the photo cards are backwards. Alright, so that's a good idea. I think these are it, so we'll put those aside for now. Okay, so then it opens like this. And then we have the photo book. And then we have, oh, this little, like, ticket. That's so pretty. Then we have the lyric book. The CD. Oh, so pretty. Love this color. I think, and then the postcard. And this one. Alright, this poster is huge actually. Now time for the photo cards. Alright, and then this one is, oh, this is cute. I think it's like a sticker with all their autographs on it. Cute, cute. Alright. We'll start with this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Sanu! It's so crazy. He looks so cute in person, but then his duality on stage is insane. Like, he can literally rock both. Look at him, he's so beautiful. Alright, and then... oh! Oh, and a J! Ooh, so cool. Yay! Gotta open it backwards. Oh, there's a dent. No! Ooh. Wonder whose knees those are. Oh, I already know I see one because there's a signature on the back. Oh, they're not flipped over! Okay, I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna flip. Okay. Ah! No! Well, looks like one of them is J. I always pull J, oh my gosh. Okay, so that was that, but I guess we'll do the photo cards first. Okay, so this one I'm guessing is Sunghoon from the signature on the back. Oh, you look so pretty. Oh, his eyes open and close. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize. So cool. Ooh. Alright, and then the last one. Jungwon! Oh, he's so cute. I love him. Alright, and then we have the lyric book, the CD. Oh, what? Oh, this one's pretty too. and then we'll do the photo book. I'm gonna find out whose knees those are though. Give me a second. Alright, we'll do a flip through. Oh my gosh. Ah, they're Jays, of course. But cute. Oh my gosh. These posters are huge. Oh, look at him. Beautiful. Then our pulls from this album. Alright, I only let my camera charge for like 10 minutes, so we gotta do this quick. And then we'll do the Hype album. Ta-da! Alright. Oh, gotta open it backwards. Oh my gosh. Just opening it to this is hilarious. Good. They're all here. We'll just put those aside. We'll cover, I don't know, we'll cover the signature one. Okay. Right side up now. Oh, and we did get the 2 postcards again. So we have the photo book, which we will quickly flip through. Beautiful. Alright, and then we have the signature stickers. Ticket. Lyric book. Oh, I think this is my favorite track, Not For Sale. It's so good! It gets stuck in my head all day. And then the CD. Ooh, this one's nice too. The black and red. Okay, and now it's time. Okay, so we'll do the lenticular first since it's in the back and has the signature. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, ah, he's so good. Yeah! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I love him. He looks so good. Yes. Ah! Okay. And then the next one we have Sanu. Beautiful as always. And then last one. Yes! I pulled Hisa and Jake. Oh my god. I'm happy. I'm happy. Ah! And then the poster is huge again. They always do huge posters. Oh, oh my god. So beautiful.